Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a gym milkshake. First, choose your liquid base like milk or almond milk, about 1 cup. Then, add 1 scoop of your preferred protein powder to boost muscle recovery. For a thick, creamy texture and natural sweetness, toss in 1 whole frozen banana. This combination provides essential nutrients to fuel your body after a workout. To elevate your milkshake, consider adding a tablespoon of peanut or almond butter for healthy fats and a rich flavor. Don't forget a handful of fresh spinach. You won't even taste it, but it adds valuable vitamins and minerals. Finally, a few ice cubes will ensure your shake is perfectly chilled and has a satisfyingly thick consistency, making it even more refreshing. Get creative with your gym milkshake by adding other fruits like a half cup of mixed berries or a 1/4 cup of mango for different flavors and antioxidants. A dash of cinnamon or a few drops of vanilla extract can also enhance the taste without extra sugar. Blend all ingredients on high for about 30 to 60 seconds until completely smooth and creamy. Enjoy your personalized, nutritious shake. This homemade gym milkshake is packed with protein and carbohydrates, making it ideal for muscle recovery and growth after an intense workout. It also provides sustained energy, helping you feel revitalized and ready for your next challenge. Remember to check the description below for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. They're a fantastic investment for your feet, offering comfort and durability that lasts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.